ready for dictation? Start. Sir, it is some time, nearly 3 months, since I had the opportunity of speaking in this House at length on the provisions of this bill as it was originally presented to the Lok Sabha. Honorable members may recall the general discussion on the floor of this House and, and the appraisal which was given to the bill during the period that the bill has been before the Parliament. It has been subjected to a wide variety of comments by individuals and institutions representing various shades of opinion. These have all been taken into consideration, and after due to deliberations, certain amendments were proposed by the government. This has been considered and incorporated in the bill as passed by the Lok Sabha. Para. Honorable members are undoubtedly aware of the various provisions of the bill as originally introduced. The provisions were explained briefly in the explanatory memorandum issued by the Honorable Minister and circulated to honorable members. A further note explaining the various taxation proposal in greater details was also subsequently circulated. I will not therefore vary the House by going into these provisions again and shall therefore dwell chiefly on the salient feature of the amendments that were incorporated in the bill during its passage in the Lok Sabha. Para. Sir, so far as personal taxation is concerned, the main emphasis of the critics has been against the lowering on the exemption limit on personal income tax and the reduction of the income tax burden on the higher slabs of income. On this point, I have been at pains to explain the objective of our taxation policy. Para. I had mentioned in my budget speech that main re- the main reason for reduction in the existing rates at the higher levels of income was that in practice very high rates of direct taxation at the top brackets of income tend to the tax base and encourage tax evasion. It is not true that the maximum rate of income tax and super tax applicable to the top brackets of income is proposed to be reduced from about 92% to a little less than 77% of earned incomes and 84% for earned incomes. But this reduction in marginal rates it is not be viewed in isolation under the tax pattern. Income tax does not stand by itself. Para.